Hey guys, welcome to a video I've been looking forward to making. This is the unboxing video of the brand new Apple MacBook Pro 2018. And here it is. Just got it this morning. Oh, look at that, look at that. There it is. The MacBook Pro. Yep. Oh, I better turn it around and show you. Look at that. Now this MacBook Pro is not just the baseline specs. I have upped it to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and it's got the 1 terabyte SSD option. I've also bumped up the CPU power to i9 2.9 gigahertz. So this should be a beast. Is it real? It's in here, it's in here. All right. Before I actually start cutting this up, you may be wondering, why am I doing an unboxing video? I'm a musician and I'm a recording artist. The reason why this product and this unboxing is a bit exciting and relevant for what I do is actually because I use this for my music production and my video production. So getting a notebook like this is specifically because I need a powerhouse of a machine. I need something that can render 4K video. I need something that can play back 40, 50 tracks and virtual instruments. And this is my third MacBook Pro. And the one that I'm replacing now has done me really well. It was a late 2013 MacBook Pro 15-inch. Can't quite remember the specs now, 2.3 gigahertz or something, 16 gigabytes of RAM. If the tests are the benchmark tests, which I won't be doing in this video because they're thoroughly done in other videos. If the tests are as good as they say, and Apple says that this machine should be up to 70%, 70 faster than last year's MacBook Pros, then surely this must be extremely fast compared to the machine from late 2013 that I'm replacing. Now let's get on with the unboxing of it. Something slightly ceremonial and almost religious about unboxing new devices and gear, isn't it? Oh, my hands are trembling. My hands are trembling, trembling, trembling. There we go. Oh, and there it is. There it is. Don't quite remember what color option I went for, to be honest. I think I might have to change the camera angle for this thing. Yeah! Let's put this aside for a second. As usual, Apple products come with a bit of documentation. And it also has the European power supply. See this plug here? For those of you who are in the States or in the UK or perhaps even somewhere else, this is rather unrecognizable, but it does the same job as the 2-pin in America or the 3-pin in the UK. It has the USB-C to USB-C connector that is now also the power supply for the new MacBooks. Some people have issues with this. I've never had a product that does all of this with USB-C, so we'll see if I'm happy about this or not. And that's it, there's nothing else in the box. So let's move on to the actual unit. Now here it is, got the beautiful Apple logo on it. So we'll open this beauty. I always actually make sure to take care of this plastic bit, because then I can wrap it up in it again when I want to sell it. So here we are. And let's open this. There's probably yes, there is a small paper towel kind of protecting, and there it is. It knows that I'm here. It knows that I'm here. Can you believe it? It just turned on. Just turned on, just like that. And here's this touch bar thing that I've also never owned on any Apple product before. There's been a lot of debate around whether or not the new upgraded 2018 models would have reduced noise in their keyboards, and well, I didn't own the previous model, so I can't compare it like that, but it does seem to make more sound than my 2013 model did. So I'm gonna set up the Mac now. I'm not gonna do any speed tests. I just wanted to show you the unboxing. And before I go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. That would make me so happy. And check out the links below. I've put in some links for where to find my music and my website. And hit that thumbs up button if you like these kind of videos. All right, have a great day, guys.